I'm doing a different type of video today. Normally I do how-to and DIY. Today I'm doing a video on hopefully raise some money to help victims of wildfires. Last Friday in Oklahoma we had severe gust of winds which spread wildfires like crazy. Mannford, Oklahoma got hit hard. They have a volunteer fire department that they had out there fighting all these fires. I had a co-worker from my last job that he lost his house. He lost everything he owned. I think he said he saved a few pictures and a motorcycle. That's all he has left of everything he owned. I'm wanting to raise some money to donate to the fire department. So it's a volunteer fire department. I want the money to go to the fire department, to help the fire department, to help the community, anything they need to help recover from these disasters. I've always wanted to do the volunteer fire department, but my situation, I haven't been able to. But I like at least to do something. I can't imagine going through a fire like that and losing everything you own in just a matter of hours and just helpless. You can't do anything about it. I mean, this is my backyard. I live out in the country. I live in the woods. If a spark occurred out here, there ain't no way to stop it, especially during high winds. I mean, I'd lose everything I own, and I mean, it'd be devastating. But my goal, I like to raise some money, personally donate it to the volunteer fire department over there. I know some friends that they work at the volunteer fire department, and they would use the money to help the fire department as well as help the community to recover from what they've lost the best they can. So anything that can help, I'm gonna put this link in the description for my PayPal, for Cash App, is also for GoFundMe. So the money that we raise, I would like to personally donate it to that volunteer fire department so they can use it as they need, where they need. So anything you can do to help, I would really appreciate it. So thanks for watching.